Hello everybody, my name is Valentina and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be all about a super quick makeup. I had a lot of requests from moms. They just want makeup that makes them look like they're alive and put together, but that it doesn't take a lot of time in the morning. This makeup, it literally takes me 10 minutes. You're gonna see all the products that I'm gonna use, super quick to apply. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. So we're gonna start with foundation. I'm using the Beauty Blender foundation. I'm in the color 2.5N. The quickest way to apply foundation is with a sponge or with my hands, and with the sponge it doesn't leave you any marks. Like with the brush you have to work it in a little bit more. I'm leaving the foundation doing its thing into my skin, and I'm using powders this time to do my eyebrows. And I'm taking the Wet n Wild palette and I'm using this brown here. When you're doing your eyebrows, if you're doing it with powder, maybe you have a massive palette and you want to do your eyebrows with that palette. I do that plenty of times, so I carry one less product, especially when I'm traveling. But make sure it's a matte powder because you don't want any shimmer in your eyebrows. We're not Narnia characters, so don't put any shimmer in there. This is a thing that you can skip if you prefer skipping it, because personally eyebrows is that thing that takes me quite a minute. It's probably the thing that takes me the longest. I can't see myself without a brow anymore. If you like powder products for eyebrows, Gosh has a great eyebrow kit. I think they have like 2 different colors and the wax to set the eyebrow. The brush that comes in the kit is actually pretty good. Look at my brows tinted. I had it done once and that really cut my getting ready in the morning time. And I said this is a clear eyebrow gel. A great thing that you can do as well, if you don't want to do your eyebrows, instead of getting a clear eyebrow gel, you get a tinted one. So you put a little bit of color as well. For the eyes, when it comes to eyes, I think the quickest way to apply eyeshadows is using eyeshadow sticks like these ones. These are Kiko eyeshadow sticks. These are very inexpensive and they are great. When they set, they don't move. I was wearing these eyeshadows during a workout and they didn't move. Like the rest of my makeup melted, but my eyeshadows stayed there. This is something that I do recommend. I do like the Pixie ones. These don't move as well. You know, I like these ones. I talked about these ones a lot. Or I have these liquid eyeshadows. These are from the collection of Zoella with Colourpop. And I used actually these ones on my mom for my wedding day because I knew she was gonna cry and I didn't want her makeup to get ruined, so this is what I used. Highly recommend these ones. There is the MAC paint pots. Laura Mercier has eyeshadow sticks. They're very good as well. They set and they don't move. It depends from your budget. There's plenty of options out there, but I do like a nice natural smoky even when I'm in a hurry, and because with this one it's super easy to get there. I'm gonna start with this one. This is in the number 06. These are all the Kiko eyeshadow sticks. We're gonna work pretty quick with these ones. I buff the edges and blend. And if you want to go just with one color, go just with one color. I go with number 5, which is slightly darker, just a bit in the outer corner. With the same brush, I'll blend that as well. And it's not particularly darker. It gives that sort of very subtle definition to the outer corner. Eyeliner is completely optional. What I do suggest if you're doing a very quick makeup is not staying there and doing a flick. You just put a little bit like a pencil and then you blend quickly, but who has time for that? So we're doing no liner. Concealer, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I'm going a little bit down. This is a very easy concealer to blend. We set, and I'm using the Laura Mercier powder, obviously, where I put the concealer. We are going in with the same sticks that I used for the eyelid. I'm tracing the waterline on the outside. I put the darker one on the outer part and I blend. Then I'll take the lighter one here. Bronzing, blush and highlighter. Ugh. I'm using my Trio by Benefit with the Hoola California blush and the WhatsApp highlighter. These ones, I don't know, these ones are gonna be with me till the end of my days. And here I've got some spots after I done the shaving. That is the only thing that I found it annoying me, because to be honest, I haven't been shaving for more than 2 weeks. Bear in mind I shaved just here, nothing really grew yet. I don't know if I'm gonna shave again. I might actually just go to a laser clinic and sort that out. Blush, smile. Then we go with the highlighter. So you know what happened? Me and Yogi started watching Modern Family, which is something that we heard about, but we never really thought about watching the whole thing. And then we saw it was on Netflix. And I was like, oh my god, there's like 10 seasons, so it will take us a minute to finish it. And then I found out that on Netflix there is just 7 seasons, and I went on Prime and it's the same thing, just 7 seasons. And then if you want the other ones, you have to pay for them. So I'm using the Paradise Ecstatic Mascara by L'Oreal. Go proper zigzagging and deposit the product at the roots of the lashes, because we don't have any eyeliner on. You want the lash line to look full. Okay, while we're having the lashes drying, I'm doing lips. If you're not a lipstick person, just go with a chopstick. Like the Burt's Bees ones are very, very good. They're very hydrating. I do have one in my bag. I use the coconut and pear one because I love that flavor. Otherwise, if you want a lippy, just go very natural, because if you go with a strong color, it's gonna take you a little bit longer because you have to be very careful. So I have the Maybelline Color Sensational. This is in Pink Fling. First of all, they smell like candies, which is great, is awesome. Second, they're very hydrating. What I do, I just dab it on my lips. Now I'll go back with the mascara, do the bottom lashes. Was set. And I have to say, I've retried the Tan Booster Spray, because this is a hack that I found on TikTok on setting your makeup. And I don't know, maybe I had a very bad oily day the first day that I tried it, but I retried it and I have to say it's very good. Let's try to do something with the hair. I've got foundation in my hair. Why me? And that was it for today's video, guys. I call this the Mummies makeup because a lot of my friends that are mums, they're the ones that requested a quick video that makes them look put together without putting too much effort, that can be fit in that 10 minutes time frame in between the kids having breakfast and the kids having to be ready for their school stuff or whatever. This is a look that I've been doing a lot lately. Obviously, adjust the colors to whatever color suits you best. The Kiko eyeshadow sticks, they are in a gazillion of colors. Have a look online. I think they're less than £10 for sure. They're called Long Lasting Stick Eyeshadows and they're $6.99. I use them during a workout, and the eye makeup was the only thing that survived through that workout, including me. I was knackered. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell down below. Go and follow me on Instagram, join the Facebook page. Have a great day, stay home, stay healthy, and I'll see you again soon. Mwah. Bye.